We're here to talk about this air compressor that I just ordered. So basically this is unboxing of this air compressor. So just first looking at it, it seems okay. When I saw it on the internet, I actually think that it was unique, so I actually got it. So it take like 2 weeks to come here, 3 weeks, and this is it. Yeah, this is it. I'll take a look and see how it works. But just by looking at it, yeah, it don't seem to look that strong. But we'll take a look and see it work, alright? Yeah, so we're still here. So basically I'm gonna show you guys how you're supposed to do this thing, yeah? And we will see how it turned out in the end. So you take this end of it and plug it in that lighter thingy there. And this is the end that's gonna go on the wheel. Right now I'm here using one hand to do this, so you can just see with me for now. Yeah, so I think we can go. So basically we just come back to it now and it kind of sounds a little bit different. Listen. Kind of sound a little bit different. That actually sound like it's just the motor alone moving and nothing else. And it's not pushing any air anymore, so I think something is wrong with it now. I just got it, so alright, we saw what we can do. We just got this thing here, air compressor. Just got it, and I tried to pump the car, and it did it for a little while. But listen to it now. So it's, let me turn this thing off. It's not pushing air anymore.